Hi guys, welcome back to video 3 in this series of videos. In this part of the videos, we're going to look at adding in the coloured section at the top here for our strapline, the coloured section at the bottom here for our footer. We're also going to add in the barcode image, which should be very simple, and we're going to add in a little section either at the top here or at the bottom here where we can actually put the price of the magazine. So let's go back to our developing magazine cover. To draw the sections for the bottom and top, we're going to use the rectangle tool. So we're going to draw a rectangle across the top and across the bottom. So just down here below the text tool, you should either have a rectangle or the ellipse tool, which is a circle tool. So we're going to click the left mouse and hold it until we can see rectangle, and we're going to select rectangle. So you can now see I'm going to be able to move around the page and draw a box, a rectangle. So I'm going to just connect to the top, anywhere off the page, it doesn't matter where you are, draw a rectangle the size that you want it to be. I'm going to say down to about there. Okay, if it isn't big enough, okay, you can press Ctrl T and you can make it slightly bigger by sort of changing the size of it like this, and when you're happy with it, press enter. I'm quite satisfied with that sort of size. What I'm then going to do is, I've sort of drawn the top one, I'm going to draw a different coloured box along the bottom, keeping with my colour scheme of sort of blue and red. I'm going to come back to the rectangle tool. I'm then going to select a new colour at the top here. So I'm going to draw the rectangle first, my mistake. Draw the rectangle first, so I'm going to make it about that size, just so it touches the bottom of the image. Once I've drawn it, I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to select a new colour. If there is a colour in the image that you want to use, you can use the pipette to click on the colour. I'm going to use the red colour I used here, so I'm going to click on this red colour and it will automatically pick it. Press OK. I've then got the bottom section ready for me. Okay, so I've got my section up here for my strap line, section at the bottom for my footer. I now just need to add in my barcode and a section where I can put the price. If I want to add in a different shape, I can do. So on the internet, you're going to go onto Google and you're going to find an image of barcode, any barcode you want to use. If I'm being honest, it doesn't really make a difference. I'm just going to copy this one here, so I'm going to right click, copy, come back into Photoshop, I'm going to edit, and I'm just literally going to paste in the barcode. You can see how it positions itself in the middle. I'm just going to move this down to the bottom corner, so it kind of goes to the bottom here. I want this to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to press Ctrl T to resize, and from the corner I'm going to drag it down until it's about the same height and press enter as my footer box. Okay, if you want to move that around the page and put it here, feel free to do so, no problem at all with that. Okay, I'm just going to leave it in the bottom corner for now. So that's got my barcode in. I've got a section here where I can put in my footer, a section at the top for my strap line. I'm now going to add some text to these. Okay, it doesn't really matter what I add in. If you look at this one here, I've added in "Wow, Dizzy Rascal Speaks Out" as my strap line. Along the footer I've put "Biggest magazine in the world, read all about over 200 articles." You can have it say whatever you want it to say, it's up to you. So come back to this design, I'm going to go to the text tool, I'm going to select the text colour of being white. I think white will be quite easy to see, and I'm going to just come down the bottom here and I'm going to type in I'm going to put it amazing over 200 articles. you can change that to whatever you want to do. I'm going to click on the move tool and just kind of move it into position. Just about here, I'm going to say. Okay, I've left a little section here. No reason why I need to. If you want to, you can add more. To add more text to anything you've already written, you come over to the side here and double click on the T for that layer. Over 200 incredible articles. I've now got the problem though, the text is actually too long, so I'm going to highlight the text, all of it, and using my character part here, I can change the width. So I'm going to bring it down so it fits just in nicely, like probably just about there. When I'm happy, just click back onto the move tool, and that's then the footer added. Like I said, you can change that to whatever you want it to be. I'm now going to ask you to put in a header or a strapline of your choice. If you look at my example, I've put in, for example, Dizzy Rascal speaks out, or you can add in a strapline of your choice. Okay, have a go at that, and in the next video we're going to look at the next feature. We're going to add in a puff, and we're going to add in and change the background colour.